See Quran, your holy book. Quran from Allah. Look at where they are printing it. Eh? So now this thing now they go package finish, print and finish, then come they sell them, give you, you go come buy them. Come they believe say this Quran gets power. Happy? Meanwhile, people where they say this book, they make billions of dollars every month out of the word of Allah. Now they use they enrich themselves. Then you will be common person. Whether they deceive, will come they buy them, they believe say that book gets power. That if you throw them, if you tear them, something will happen to you. Look at where they are printing it. Huh? Look at it. Look at the factory where they are printing the Quran. Then look at the Bible one. You see? You see where they are printing it? Something that you call the word of God. That is powerful. Look, they go first of all type and finish, make some adjustments. So the machine go cut it. People where they do and go cut them. Nothing will happen to them. But you, if you can't tear them, something will come happen to you, Abi. Abi, look at where they are printing your holy book from a creator of the universe. They are making money with it. Yes, they are making money with it. Religion is money. Religion, now money. People will create them. They create them to control people, to make money. It's a business. It's a business. That is why you can't get all these things for free. A word of God, and then they sell. Only that one, if you open your eye to make you know, say this thing na business is not from any creator. You cannot come and sell sun or sell moon. You can't do that. After printing it and selling it to you people, they now created a place called Holy Place where when they pay money, they go worship this God. Mecca, Italy, Israel. Then you people go, they pay money, they spend millions of naira, they travel, and go pray to your God in another man's country. Money. Religion is money. Business. Then they enrich their own country. Unto say, I want to pray to a God that created the whole universe, Abi. So a God created the whole universe all of a sudden. He now choose one particular place where people go, they worship him. Then your own place where you dey, that God no dey there. Some people, they can do anything to travel to this Mecca or Israel to pray. That is their only purpose in life. Once they don't do that, they don't achieve everything. Shame on you people.